Good evening guys, here is for the Arabic Nasol. So now we'll be serving to you our menu for today. See, it's got sweet, starting here the sweet. Yeah. Okay, and first salad with lemon sauce with olive oil. Yeah. Look at that. Very fresh, huh? Nice. And another sweet, very sweet corn. Yeah, that's why it's very sweet corn with carrots and others vegetables. This is the second fresh salad. Yeah. So we'll go to moving the main course. Today is spaghetti. Yeah, spaghetti. Wow. Spaghetti and the partner with fried chicken. Voila, nice, huh? With lemon toppings. Yalla, nice, huh? Oh, very juicy. Tender and juicy. Voila. Nice it, huh? And nuggets. There are also nuggets included, see? Yeah. And french fries. They are big cuts. Yeah. Big cuts.
Sir, wala pang tong, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.